Hey guys, it's Mandy. Welcome back to my channel once again, and if you're new here, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy hearing from me, and as always, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've picked this item up that we're talking about today, or if you plan on picking it up in the future, because I have a deal for you. Okay guys, so what we're talking about today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Palette. I don't know if you can see because of the lighting. Yeah, there we go. The Aurora Glow Palette from them. And as you know, at Sephora, it costs around $40. When you open this palette up, it is so pretty. Let me remove the plastic. When you open this palette up, it is so pretty. It has 6 shades of gorgeous highlighters. I have one on right now, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how well they work. But they have 6 names. Of course, there's Eclipse over here, which is kind of like a champagne-y gold color. Luna, which is the lightest in the palette, which is more of like a white highlighter. Spectra over here on the end, which is like a purple duochrome with a little bit of pink in it. It's so pretty. Then we have Hella down here at the bottom, which is a green color. And I'm sorry, the lighting is not showing them very well. First, in the middle here is Orion, which is this gorgeous like teal blue color. And last but not least is Lyra, which is this orangey yellow gold tone. It is so pretty. But what I want to share with you guys today is, if you have not heard already, they now have these at every TJ Maxx and Marshalls across the country. You can pick these up for, I got mine for $25. So $25 compared to the original price of $40 at Sephora is one heck of a deal, you guys. So I definitely wanted to share this on my channel. You know, I'm all about saving money wherever possible. I definitely want you guys to pick this up if you haven't already, because it is definitely a must-have in your highlighter collection. What I'm going to do now is take my little fan brush here and some Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray, and I'm just going to mist the brush a little bit. That's really all you need. Then we are going to dip into this palette, and we're going to pick up this shade right here, which is Spectra. Like I said before, it's more of that like purpley tone, and I have a lot of purples going on my face right now. So I think this is going to be perfect. I'm just dipping my brush in a little bit here, and then we're just going to go ahead and glow. These highlighters are so pretty, you guys. Do you see the glow that it gives off? And they are so incredibly buildable. Yeah, they're so pretty. But it does give a subtle hint of like a pinkish purple glow with it. And it is so gorgeous, especially if you have, you know, somewhere special to be, wearing a certain color or anything like that. These would come totally in handy there. I'm wearing it today also as my inner corner highlight, since I do have kind of purple tones going on my face right now. I changed the lighting a little bit. I'm not sure that actually makes it better for you to see, but it does give off just a subtle hint of that purplish pinkish glow to it, and it is just so gorgeous. I can't get over it. All of the shades in this palette are absolutely stunning. And if you know me, you know that I love a blinding highlight at all times. Like, even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I will go ahead and throw on a little bit of highlighter, and just some facial mist, because I think it's just so pretty. But like I said, this goes really well with the eye look that I have going on today. So there's basically a shade in here for any skin tone and any occasion. I mean, wouldn't these be like perfect for like Halloween, things like that? You can use them as eyeshadows. You can use them really wherever you want. But I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that was so amazing. You don't find deals like that often, but when you do, I definitely want to be able to speak about them on this channel and let you guys know where to find a good deal on these amazing makeup products. So guys, like I said, you can pick this up at your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx. They have them nationwide, is what I'm hearing, and they definitely have them at my local one, which is kind of amazing because mine doesn't really have anything like this ever. But not only do they have these Aurora Glow Palettes by ABH, they also have liquid lipsticks, they have concealers, they have all different types of things from the ABH lines for much cheaper than you're going to get them at Sephora. So I would definitely head out to your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx and check them out as soon as humanly possible if you have any intention on getting anything from the ABH brand here anytime soon. I know this was a quick video, you guys, but I just wanted to let you in on that little secret, let you guys know, and I hope you're all having a fantastic week. I know it's just started, but don't get those Monday blues yet because this might turn out to be a fantastic week. You never know. But that's really all that I have for you guys now, so until next time, I'll see you later.